Grade 8 bolts for the turbo. I don't see this going wrong at all. Alright guys, so the other day we had problems and it turned out that the map sensor that Matthew had put on was actually bad. We sent it back to our tuner and he's sent it to Honda and he's going to get a new one, right? Or like a reman one or something?
Yeah, well no, when it was a brand new Honda 4-bar and we just happened to be so unlucky that we're the second like in 4 years, that's the second one that he's ever had be bad on arrival.
So we put the old map sensor that we had on it before, which is like a GM3 bar maybe, right?
No, I just hooked the stock one back up.
Oh.
Because it's the same connector. It's good for 10 PSI.
He hooked the stock one up, so it's good for 10 PSI, but that'll be fine to get like boost leak tests done and get this car started. So this is gonna be the hopefully first startup and yeah, see if it goes. One second, let me step back a second. Send it. Woo! Quiet. That's so quiet. Dude, it actually started up.
Opening off, quiet as hell.
Dude, it's way quieter than the rallycross was. The rallycross one we had set up. Does the record make it that much quieter? Dude, the turbo was blowing all over me. What were you doing, Matthew?
Revving it up.
Revving it up. Dude, that's awesome. At least we got it started.
It's running pretty rich, so.
He's trying to get that piston wall flares to
So we doing bolts tonight?
What's up, guys? Back at Matthew's. He got the intercooler piping hooked up on the last video. We got it started and stuff. And some of the missing links, he had to get the intercooler piping all done. So you can see he got like all over. So it's still running. Matthew hasn't blown it up yet. But in this video, we're gonna have hopefully it making some boost on the road with a quick pull, and then we'll do some final stuff for the dyno. So we might do like a boost leak test, and then we will have us towing it to Jason Waters in Atlanta and getting the tune. So stay tuned. What are you doing?
Just hanging out, babe.
I see y'all are changing the rear diff fluid finally.
Since we got 3 people, we can have Danny just constantly keep fluid in the thing.
be driving pretty nice. Is it hitting boost cut?
I don't know what that was.
Alright guys, we're gonna try to do a first pull. Here it goes. Ew.
Look at all the smokes.
Look at all the smoke. It's probably just water.
It's nice and golden.
That was funny when that thing flew up.
Alright, Matthew's gonna do a pull with no VTEC.
Okay. So that's a no-go.
What happened?
It doesn't have enough fuel up top.
Yeah, it seemed like it was. Another 30%?
Or 15.
Alright, I can do it.
So highlight the last 3 rows.
Alright, so we adjusted the fuel trims a little bit. VTEC is working now. Show us the VTECs.
Dude, this bitch is fast. This bitch is fucking quick.
Dude, that was nuts.